What's up, guys? Pixel Gaming here. The new construction update just came out with chainsaws. That's kind of it. Chainsaw. Let's get to it. Okay, that was actually kind of cool. That was my new intro. I like dancing. What's the construction update? We got a bunch of we got like 3 new items or something. We got the chainsaw, where it can break basically any block out there, as you can see. I'll put it into good use in a second. Next, we got the ball. You guys can't see it, but ball. Made by Puff Bros especially. Puff Bros asked for it, so you know. Yay. And the last new item is actually something I've been asking for a while. It's a zone copier. Quite weird looking. It's quite different from the normal copy button. It doesn't have like, let me show you. As you can see here, it doesn't have that, like, weird, like, it's like just a normal, ordinary block. On this, it has, like, this weird, like, tip right here, and, like, kind of bumpy. With the zone copier, you can actually, like, only copy a certain zone you want. So, let's put it to use real fast. So, let me pick it up real fast. I'm going to make a building. It's going to be like right here. Yeah. Make a quick building. Here you go. Yay, I made a building. Now with the zone copier, I'm able to copy the entire zone, basically. I can line it up right. There. Okay. So now I'll take this little corner, and put in the entire zone that I want to copy. Next, I'll click copy. Alright, now let's use the chainsaw to good use. There we go. And it can get rid of any block, including creative blocks. But I do not want to break my house, so just pick those off. Alright, as you can see, it's now gone. Oh no. Let's paste it back in. Ta-da! That's what the zone copier does. It kind of just copies the entire zone. Whoop. It's clear. Well, that's kind of it for the update. Not much to it. It's fun, but chainsaw, chainsaw. Ah! I don't feel so good. Ugh. As I make this video, I'm thinking a lot. Like, you guys really helped me out. You guys saw my videos. I got a good couple likes, like 10 maybe. You guys really helped me out with us being a small creator. I just want to thank you guys for that. If you guys, I don't know what to say.